Today on PowerNation Daily, cops find a crashed McLaren in the desert, but no driver is around. A high school prank got the recognition from the police. A company isn't paying damages after its driver hit a car. A pickup truck takes out light poles on an interstate in epic fashion. Ford has developed technology that actually helps visually impaired people feel the road through their window. And it's that time for PowerNation Daily, so pull up a chair. Let's get this show started.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by EBC Brakes. Step up from stock and get up to 30% more stopping power.
Yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? We are here in PowerNation Daily Studio, and it's time to talk about the news. But before that, go over to our website at PowerNationTV.com. Get connected. Let us know what you want to see. But right now, we got a lot to talk about, so let's start talking. Police in Nevada came across a $300,000 McLaren crashed in the desert, but the catch is nobody was around. Not a soul. The Nevada Highway Patrol found the total McLaren 720 about 70 yards off a road near Lake Mead, with damage suggesting that the car actually flipped at least one time. After searching the area and finding nobody around, the police found out that the passengers actually got a ride to a nearby hospital and were being treated for their injuries. The car was apparently a part of a cross-country exotic car rally, and the driver might have lost control. Might have. He did. The local police department in Cumberland, Wisconsin, well, they were impressed because the class of 2018 did an epic senior prank that even impressed the police department, which that alone is impressive. The police department said on Facebook it was actually the best senior prank that they've ever seen come out of Cumberland High School, which is pretty cool. For this year's prank, the students positioned an old junker with loose bricks in front of what appeared to be a black hole in the building just outside the principal's office. However, it wasn't actually a hole at all. Using tape and black tarp, the students created an illusion of damage, making it look like the car crashed into the side of the building. The best part is, and the reason that the police were so impressed, was because there was actually no damage whatsoever to any property, including the school property. It's pretty cool. So a freight company claims that it won't pay damages after their truck driver hit a car while turning into a busy intersection, even though it was captured on the dash cam that the truck was wrong. The car and the truck driver exchanged information, and the truck driver said he was in the wrong, but police didn't respond to the accident. The woman says she received a phone call from the company where the driver works, and they told her, well, not to worry, they will fix her car. However, the truck driver told his employer a different story. The guy lied. The company came back and told her that she started turning before the truck had passed her. They told her that if she takes care of her car, they'll take care of their truck and let bygones be bygones. But unfortunately, that's not fair to her because she was right, he was wrong. What do you think about this? And what would you do? Would you be a little upset? I'm sure she is. This was a close call for everyone around this guy. This is crazy. Nothing was going to stop this driver from knocking some poles down, apparently. Traffic cameras caught the moment when a driver in a red pickup truck slammed into two light poles on I-43 in Wisconsin. Both poles landed in oncoming traffic, but even with falling poles and debris flying, amazingly, no one was actually hurt, according to local news, WISN. Now, Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies gave the driver a field sobriety test where, shockingly, he was arrested. So I'm assuming he failed. Ford's newest technology is impressive and is for the visually impaired. The prototype is called Feel the View and lets blind passengers feel what is outside the car windows. A camera is attached to the car's window and takes pictures of the view outside. Then special LED lights reproduce the images as a grayscale rendering. When the images and the rendering are touched, the different shades of gray vibrate at up to 25 different frequencies, which lets the visually impaired person mentally recreate what's outside. Simple Most reports the concept also incorporates an image recognition system that says out loud what's outside through built-in speakers. However, Ford Europe doesn't plan to put this technology to use anytime soon. They just like to spend a lot of money on cool stuff, apparently. But it is pretty cool. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. Stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Get connected online, social media. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys soon.